To change your voicemail greeting on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you have to remember that exact steps depend on your carrier, but the process is usually very similar. So when you open the phone dialer, you have to make sure that you assign into the one key your voicemail number. And how you can check this? Click on the three dots, go for the settings and go into the voicemail settings. You have to check the voicemail number for each of your SIM card. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this on my first SIM card. So I have to go back, and now by clicking here, we can set speed dial numbers, and we have to make sure that here we just apply the voicemail. So now we just have to click and hold it, and we will make call into the voicemail. So as I show you right now, on the most phones, you just have to click and hold this one key, and it will automatically connect you to the voicemail. Of course, in the United States, many carriers such as Verizon or T-Mobile use this process. You usually hold one key, enter your voicemail pin, and if asked, go to the greeting settings and record new message. But I'm going to show you example how it looks in Poland, because the process is similar but often uses a dedicated voicemail number. So I know that a lot of people from other regions watch this video, like from Germany, France, from Mexico. So we have to check this actually how it looks for your carrier. But in my case, I have to input this number because this is the voicemail number for my carrier, and I have to switch into my SIM card that I'm gonna use, and I have to just click here, and I have to select my voicemail settings. I have to select 2. Now in other instructions, now I've got the voicemail greetings. I have to click 2. This is my current. And if I want to record a new one, I have to click 1 and simply just record it. Once you finish recording, you have to confirm the change and your new greeting will be active.